Hello, welcome to Simple Answers. In this video, I'll be showing you how to sync video to music on TikTok. Once you have opened the app, you're going to tap on the plus like you'll normally do to upload a video. Then you'll simply tap on upload in the bottom right hand corner. From here, you can tap on select multiple in the bottom left hand corner. Then you can select the clips that you would like to upload. For example, let me select a few quickly, these two right here, then tap on next. After you have selected next, you are going to tap on adjust clips from the options in the right hand corner, and you will see the option sound sync. You are going to tap on auto sync, as you can see right there. Then you will select save. And by the way, at the top, you are going to select the song that you would like to use, as this video will be the length of the song that you have selected. So for example, let's say I've selected this song, which is 27 seconds. Then tap on adjust clips. You can see right here, it is playing out, but if I were to select a shorter sound, it would speed up the video. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.